You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as usual, I'm going to say I'm grateful, because who they have to support the journey from which part I come from, which part I know, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. And enough people are saying, I'm going to drop episode 2. This is episode 2 of Spoiled Brat. And you know what, might go episode 3, based on circumstances. But yeah, I am enjoying myself filming this one. Yeah, so big up on yourself and everybody who support the thing, whether through the financially or the mentally or the, or the call alley, any alley want to link up and support the, the strength of this public report movement. I thank you so much, highly appreciate it. So I just want to big up all of the people who have been a part of this film. Test myself again. So we have Marika, so we have Ashley, aka Pinky, and we have Petrine Morgan, and we have Toga, and we have Lord of Mercy, we have Soji, and we definitely have myself, public report representing. Yeah, man. So as I say, like, share, comment, let me know what I want, because I'm a work in progress, and I only can get better with with us working together, right? Yeah, man. So we are teamwork, All right. So this one is episode 2, and of course, I have to give you a recap to make you know who never watched episode 1 yet. You can go and watch it now and think, or, I give you like a recap so you see where it come from to where it go right now and thing. And as I say, big up on yourself and thanks to everybody for the support. The new family members checking in right now, don't forget to, subscribe, man, The subscribe is free, Yeah. So bless upon yourself. Check out the recap. Here we go.
You forgot to say, are you my shoe in that so? Don't put that in my mouth.
You chat too much.
Amanda, don't try to say find the money,
Say everybody that lecture me, so when I come to you and say me sign money, I go buy food.
If your friend which is in picnic coming at my house for thief me money.
Who thief your money?
Remember who thief me money?
Who thief your money?
Are you coming?
Amanda
say you're coming at my house for thief me money.
Amanda say he find the money on the mango.
Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl. Beat the girl. Beat the girl. You hear that?
You know a new movie will come up on Netflix?
I have Netflix.
Me on Netflix. Me go call. Give me a number now, so me can call and we can Netflix and chill.
Yeah,
Yes, you like me don't come here for drink this and prove your love to me, but drink and fall like.
I love you.
Drink and me, if you love me.
You so mine. Okay.
Everything. You don't love me.
To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day. Only you can make it good.
You can go and sleep. Because your mind thinks that today going to be a peaceful day for you. Not going to be a peaceful day, but go and sleep.
Data.
Yeah.
Everything good? Hmm? Hello?
Hello?
I want you.
Daddy, auntie beat me.
What?
Auntie beat me with board.
What? Beat her with what?
She beat me with board. She up here abuse me.
I lie you tell me. Last man, I joke you with me daughter. Eh?
I joke me, I make a joke. I joke me attack.
No. You mean to tell me say, see me sister beat her with board? What she say she do?
She said she straighten me out or something like that, and she beat me. And she know I'm me no friend, and she know I'm go out the door. She just want to walk me out, like me and me do.
Marika, you sure what you're saying is true?
Yes, every minute she tell me about man.
What do you mean tell about man? She tell about man as in what? If you have man?
Yes, so if you have man.
No, I lie you tell. Tell me say I lie you tell.
I don't let me tell her true.
So which part she there now? Put her up on the phone.
She do the year she got on the road and me one day here.
You wanted it?
Yes.
What do you mean by you wanted it?
And me one day house, she not their house.
Marika, make sure say what you're telling me is true, you know, and it's not something you make up out of one dream. Because remember last time you get up one morning and I said this and said to me said that. And then you say, oh, I dream you when I dream.
And I dream, I choke me attack. I'm gonna eat from yesterday.
What?
Me not eat.
Alright, my dad, know yourself. Me, I come down there. And just because I'm there, I start to work a business. Me, I come down there very, very soon. You hear me say?
Alright.
I never seen if you go one place, say, somebody go abuse you. Eh? Oh, she rude, so. Hey. So tell me something. She bring no man come there?
Me not see no man come here, but she always a go left me one in her house, always at night time.
I really want to say to myself, say a joke you make, but me realize you're serious because you sound like a ball, you're a ball and you're not ball. Eh? And when you do ball, there's something serious going on. Me I come, yeah?
Alright.
So nothing you can eat? No biscuit or no crackers?
No. Yesterday she did give me one drink and left Pepsi and crackers, and me no want that. No, nobody eat and leave.
Drink and left Pepsi? I'm on the face, man. It's alright. Me know me go do. Know yourself. Sometimes you ask people to help them dumb. But me I come, yeah?
Alright,
my daughter. Later, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Alright.
Boy, this a shepherd door, boy. No lamb to put us away from it.
Wait. Where do you son?
You blind? Let's see a shot me come.
You know, say if you do better, if we're the rum bar, do you find it?
No, me not drink rum.
And we are there,
And water me come by.
And what you come by? Me know you too well.
Me not drink rum, man.
When since?
And water me come by, girl. I'm tell you. You mean everybody rum bar, you there? Eh? Why you take out yourself and put me in it?
Girl, I too away.
No, me only drink when me stress.
Me stress out.
You drink when you're not even stressed.
Girl,
Well, anyways.
Girl, me stress out. You know, no, say one night when I left and go home, my niece carrying man at the house.
Huh?
My niece carrying man at the house.
See that the girl?
I say, I care some lick.
Yeah. Cause so me know you know run pitney joke. So we say whip her ass.
I give her some. I'll fight little girl want fight me now.
I lie. Eh?
I'll fight little girl want fight me now. I have nothing but her. Me have up with the belt.
No sir. I saw when they have man they ain't go on, you know. I saw when them a take man, I saw they ain't go on, you know, my friend. Anytime them a take man, I saw they ain't go on. You should have flatter her.
And not go tell me about how me gonna road from morning. And she did it by herself. What if our friend come over? She should experiment on him.
What kind of experiment? The only experiment me know. I when you have a man in the house and do they do. That is the experiment. So that's what they do.
I tell you, if you see for your mama, you see for me brother, for your mama did run a piece of experiment for me brother. If me never go up, they go catch her. Him would there to the day.
So space. So like the mother like the daughter. But anyways. So me not even know say I have niece. How are niece?
What you mean? So you never so want to Jacoby, you know, so my brother.
Jacob. Hold on. Yan Jacoby. A brother?
Yeah, I'm a brother.
I know where the blouse and skirt this.
Girl, I want.
You never know say yan and the people their family. Yeah, me not like a little girl where fair niece, you know. Me not like the little girl because she gon' thief me money. And me have to go over Jacob house for him. And when me go over there, she and me daughter start fight. And then Jacob come back at me yard. And me have to have one long spoon and one long fork and juke him out of my house. Because me not like Jacob and him pitney. Me not like your niece and your brother.
Hold on. So your house little girl coming and come thief the money?
Yes! He come thief me money. And my daughter like a fool. They there and with her and thief the money with her too. Because I damn an idiot. But anyways, I should have killed it. Anyways, what I say is, nobody here in my business, you know, hot girl like me. Anyways, you know, I say really and truly, I want money me come borrow from you. Because here we go now. Here we go, girl. If you calm down. Here we go. I want money me come borrow for pay for the hairstyle I do. And plus the day after, my little daughter, she go do a hairstyle too. So I have 2 hairstyles to pay for. So, I beg you one. Lend me one money. Listen, you know. Now look for me, so. Because your niece thief me money from out of my house. And I not use against if you say you have to give me it back. But me just come to you now say me I borrow something from you.
When we tell you something right about now, me not have no money because you girl, every minute you want to do ear. Every second you do ear, so girl, me not have no money. If I want me buy the piece of wig you put on my head, up to now me can't change it because my man not get paid till end of month. So me not have no money. And by the way, me not want you, not because you know, me not want you take no liberty of my niece.
So hold on.
Things might be. I don't sure if she a thief. So with me go take a test later.
Hold on there. So you say you have your niece and your yard. What? What to your father? What do your father?
The father did just explain to me so one situation did occur and he might beg me to keep her for some time. That is why me have her.
Okay, and the father never really explained the situation to you. The situation was she thief me money, so you have to send the penny up your yard for your coins to the penny. So here we go on. Mama, if you want for me your friendship to broke today, don't give me the money. Mama, me no know you come and tell me about how me know why you take no liberty at your niece. Which part of big woman like me go take liberty at your niece?
That is why
your niece is thief. She's a thief.
Look here.
And you see if you pick up fear, me might start call a thief too.
Look here,
Oh.
Me not say she not do it, and me not say she do it. I remember I wasn't there. So that's why I say, when we go up at the yard, me go and see if the little girl thief or not. Because I know her mama a thief. So probably running her blood.
So hold on, where say? You can't lend me money.
Girl, me not have no money.
You not have
me
money?
not have the money if me dey have. Me not have money.
When last I see Jacoby? When last I see him?
About 2 weeks ago.
Huh?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so a problem will not look then. A problem will not look. I'm going to show Jacoby sitting. I'm going to show your niece sitting. I'm going to show you something because guess what? You see, if you don't have no money to lend me, you don't have no money to lend me, and your niece thief me their money from out of my house.
God. Me your friend, you know, and me your friend cool. I'm about with the cooling.
Mama, where you come as a far? Shop come here.
I shop me come out to me see you. So you know my friend.
Me and your friend today, tomorrow, but not forever. Go and go buy what you buy. Go on, see shop me.
So you drop it now.
Come now, me not too wine and business. Go and buy what you buy. It's a boost me I go buy. Come now, go on.
Alright, me I go buy you one drink.
Huh?
Me I go buy you one drink. You alright with
Yeah,
that?
get the drink.
You just tell me say I want you want and you not drink. You get terrible, so girl.
Get the drink because me go show you say me don't really want drink. Me just all put it back for you. The water me want. Come.
Serve. Why you have something else? You can't manage you. Serve. So we get. Hello.
Where
You
is
there
that?
so all long? Where people in the West nice shop?
Me don't know where they in there.
So you tell me to go order sit now. You don't know what people there.
Me don't know where they in there. Girl, call the people them not serve. So serve again.
Look here now.
So serve again.
Serve one special. Hey, look, see special up there. So see my phone ring. So take up your special.
Me just tell if you look, you know.
Hello. Brother. What you mean by? Look here now. Look here now. Look here. Yeah, you look a liar pitney. You know what little girl do? You not even call me now and say what little girl do. You come and jump on me. But oh me up there abuse your pitney. Look here now, sir. Don't make me have to put on my mad cap. You ask the pitney what she do? They come to the pitney with man in the house. What you mean by, if you know me I talk about something I idiot. Me say as me I come so at the man me say I run through my door. When me go in and me say to her say, why you bring man in my house? Why the man in my house? You're not our school friend and me gone left her and she bored. Look here now. You see you pitney now mad me now? What you mean by she not eat? Who not get nothing to eat? Look here, you see if you come up on me here, come check me. Come up on me here, come check me and tell me fat of me years. Right. Say right about now, my voice broken on me, I tell you now. You don't know, sir, my brother called me on the phone a while ago. The little pitney go call him and tell him one bag of lie. Say, oh, me up there abuse her and me not get no food as bad as things might be, you know. My brother don't give me $1, but you know me cook food at my yard, don't it? And the little girl go tell the man, say, me not get nothing, you know, and me abuse her, you know.
Listen, we are running the blood pressure too much. You see, Jacob, I idiot. Jacob not no sense. Film sense is then gone. Jacob dunce. I real dunce that brother. You ever hear song with see you now. You ever hear song with man sing 3-9 fully dunce. A Jacob that. A man not no sense. A man you idiot in a brother. A man there run up blood pressure like you idiot. Lit the pitney. A lot of people want to send him hospital come and come chat about how tell like fire. I don't give him no food neither, you idiot.
You see, I want thing I not like with you, you know. It's like, say, I saw you eat me, I want me to go to prison. Eh?
Oh, How dare me be there?
You know me I go home, cause the little girl let me I forgot to go deal with her. So me I go up. So little more me here we talk.
Crosses. Move. So imagine. You cock up us up on bike. Are you pretty hungry I had? No, tell me what can really go so. Dirty thinking workless man. Tell me what can really go so.
So what about you? Yeah, rum, what that you drink?
Excuse you?
The money where you take and wait no, let me talk. The money where you take and buy rum. What make you take and buy sit and give it for eat?
$350. $350 can't buy nothing.
That can save that could have buy one little box sit now one little sit and give it for eat.
You know say I want dirty man.
I mean
A $350 for box food. You know she small box food. If you don't have a $750, it don't make no sense. And plus you want drinks for drink. So what you tell me say?
No.
Idiot man. You know say that's the reason make me left. And that's the reason me left, you know. Because you see fear level where you want me to live up to, that could never work.
What kind of
Never.
What kind of level you talking
And that's
about?
why I left your yard because you walk list. You don't want nothing for picnic. I chat out alone like everybody here. You walk list.
So hold on, wait no, so hold on there.
Mine up
What
in
the-
the junk crowd.
Hold on, what do you when time me I walk? What do you when me they walk? And me take 100,000 go buy picnic sitting all kind of sitting. No, true me dey on my face now, that's how you deal with you say you know say you no good.
100
You know you know a good man.
What is that? 100,000 or $100?
100,000.
Why
What do you
come
when
on the
time?
yard? With the $100, I dash back in your face.
100, I know that me not talk about. Me not talk about that. Me not talk about when you pitney, when everything did the good. Me that me not talk about. No bad time, that's how you deal with me.
When I'm gonna do how much that day?
Yo, things right now, things just a rough out, that's why a hard time, you know, man.
3
Look
weeks.
how you deal with, man.
3 weeks. You give me 100,000. From this you never look back. I'm on how much now?
Hold on. Look,
I'm on how much now? You know, say, walk it. Jesus Christ, me can't believe. More somebody call the police and lock them.
yeah, let me
Me
talk.
can't believe that's a walk.
Yeah, let me talk.
You know, and dirty man like you, me can't believe.
Yeah, give me a break and let me talk, or what?
Talk. Anything where you chat and make no sense.
A 50-50, no, a 50-50, no. You come a road and don't talk about the pitney dead if you're hungry and look on you. Look, you know what money you take, how much money you take for the put in that day?
Put in what?
Look at tattoo.
I'm a man do it, don't do it. I'm
That
a
me
good
a
up
talk
man
about.
do it, don't do it.
And then
I'm
something
a
I'm
good
not
up man
talking
do it.
about.
I see it, I'm a man, I help take care of
Hold
your
on.
kidney.
No, hold on, man. What do you make you 20,000? What you take your hand do with it? I bet, what you take your 20,000 and do?
And shit out it. Yes, and that me take care and do. Dirty man, dirty stinking man. Hey, me not like you. Me not like you. I remember say your family them there tell us say he pick me a jacket. And that's why me not like you. And you believe them and say you don't want to spend no money for your daughter. Eh? Me don't know make this a little girl come favor you because you're not good looking. Me say come like a bag of the bag my face and me alone with you because you don't look good at all. You don't look good. I me not like you neither, so I don't know what you do up so. What you do up so? I watch, okay. I watch me. I watch you really, I watch me.
Pinky, you give me a break let me talk. You let me talk or you just always out. You hear me I say, man.
Talk.
99.9% of the time, me not see what me not do. And you always make you look like me not do nothing. I know say that's why I left here in cause God know Pinky, me no want do, me no, you see people like innocent people go to prison, you know. You come on road and look how you deal with me on roadside and you tell me say me nah, you look what you have in your the money where you use and go buy the rum and drink. What make you take you go buy something give you? Eh? The money we use and put in the hair, this a long hair, the long hair, yeah. What make you
You
know?
stop touch me here, my man. Do and listen to
Yo,
me.
listen to me, man.
No, listen. I run me
Listen to
and
me,
watch.
man.
I run me and watch where people buy me a while ago. Eh? Oh, so what you have to say? You live a dear full life. You want a breakthrough.
What kind of dear full life?
No. I want breakthrough. You want? I want breakthrough.
No worry, say, no worry about me youth, man. Come just wait for the right thing happen for me come help for sort out. Do what me if you do. No worry yourself. No worry about my youth, man.
Crosses. You hear me? I say, your pitney and his friend thief me money. So me want to know how it a go. So me glad me see you because every dollar in your pocket me want to know. So take out it. Take out it.
You know, the last time me, no, wait no. The last time me look on you and give you $50,000. You know, you think you not tell me? You think you pitney not tell me what you do? You take it buy clothes, hair, nails, and go on a party, you and your friend them. Me no figure that, you know. Me no trust you. Me no trust you. You think you're good somebody?
The whole world knows that me not seeing. The whole world knows that. But listen to me. Listen to me, Crosses. You see the money? And the money me come for defend. The money me come for defend. Because your pin is a thief just like you.
No worry yourself, man. Go and talk.
You hear me I tell you?
Go and talk. No worry yourself. Go and
I
talk.
see the bike where you already pan down pan. We all know say you have 600 up your yard. It's a tricky crowd because you them people say no money. You have money. You have
go
money.
and talk.
You must be walk and thief people things.
What you talk about? What you talk
You
about?
know what? Me stop in talking here because me don't want to boom one stone in your head. Alright, me don't have to boom one. You know what? You see when you see me on the right, go on the left. So when you see me on the left, you go on the right. Me don't not chat things with you.
But now you come here so.
Me don't know chat things with you. Wrong throw.
Why?
Jacoby. Come here. Good evening. Good evening. You know, say, we want to talk to you. You know, so we are two big people, right? Man to woman. You know, say, other day when I come down here with my daughter, very, very unexpected. And me deal with the situation one way. And you know, it always takes a bigger person to apologize, right? So, I am very sorry about what happened. And here I go on. I'm not going to say your daughter a thief and your daughter not a thief, but how this thing come up suddenly with the affair pre that away there. You understand? Because remember, you know, pitney are pitney. Big people are big people.
But that
You
was
understand?
but that was what I was trying to say to you. And you never really understand, say, you know, the whole thing is a misunderstanding or something have to go wrong in one way where, you know, we have to understand what really go wrong. You see you lose your money and you understand the rage when you lose your money and things. So you have to really be angry. You understand me? I say, so that was the thing. So when we come over there and you feel away because you use the thing man run me down like say me a thief.
Yeah.
Me in a city, remember say me in there, you know. You understand? So me understand certain things, but you know, things so me understand it. And being that we go through that part there, you know, me think you never really forgive me or the situation when it happened, you know, which was a next misunderstanding. I never really see it that way. So yeah, me glad say you calm down now, you talk. I drink, you wanna drink, yes, sir?
No, I don't drink. But anyways, Jacob.
Jacoby.
Alright, Jacoby, I am really sorry and I want you to forgive me.
I forgive you, man. And I like say, you know, something where you ain't shoot me or shot me or you knock
Yeah,
me
but
out like you didn't try before one time.
really and truly, would I like you forgive me about the money. Please. Because me have to pay for the hair. And if me not pay for the year, me going to want big trouble with people. I me not really want it to reach this. So.
How much money will lose?
20,000.
Huh?
20,000.
So she take 20,000 out of your house.
Yes, 20,000.
All
Just
right.
like that.
All right. What me gonna say to you now is that me not have 20,000 for me now, but me can maybe give you 10,000, and you work out where you want to work out. You know? How that sound for you?
Alright, that sound good, but just no say me go come back for the next 10.
No,
Because
but
listen,
if I say both we lose, you know. So you mean me alone for lose that situation?
no, I did not say
You
that.
say no,
Me I say me have to give the woman the $20,000. So me will give her back, but right now me have to get the 20,000. And you know say me in one situation where me don't know where me will get the next 10,000 from. You understand? So me have to come to you back for the next 10,000.
Alright, I'm gonna say still, we still work out. Cause right now me have a different kind of meds for me right now. Cause one different situation arise now, and me have to go deal with it. I mean, I want sun go set and me not reach up other place because, you know, circumstance I've said before. See the 10,000.
Alright. So me just you see next week me just come for the next 10,000. Cause me really know a situation right now where
But call me
only
before.
God.
But call me before you forward. Because I mean, when you come, I'm expecting it. Because I have things to deal with. You remember me my daughter, and she's basically, you know, cost the man, and like right now, me have to go back here and carry back on my yard. That's, on our next expense.
Alright. Bye. Do what you have to do here. Thank you very much.
Alright, no problem. Yeah.
Dear, me need that you. So you feel I'm like you. Me not like a dirty man. Rubbish.
You little girl. How say we you wicked and lie? Who you wicked so? Where you call your papa that call me name to your papa for?
What I mean, me supposed to call my father. Me have a phone, so me call my father. Huh?
So you mean me have you up here dead for hungry?
Yeah, you give me nothing for yesterday. Yesterday you give me 1/2 a bag of crackers and some drink and left juice. And me if you drink that, you come in with pizza. And nobody give me pizza. So me no hungry. Me no nobody. And then you beat me pan top of it. Are you wicked?
Let me ask you a question.
Are you heartless?
Me no come see man in my place and you have face to me. That's how me beat you.
You see man in your house? Which part of the man?
As me bust the kind of man I come through my door.
You see when in the inside of the house?
Me say as me bust the corner the man I come through my door.
You say you passing man out the road. Now you say you see man bust door and come out of your house.
I don't in an argument today, can you see? Me I go pack up your things and I make your dirty pooper come
Oh,
to you.
come on, go pack them up.
Take care of me. You see you could girl and you go tell your father about me and your man.
Then every time you tell me about man.
Yes.
And I talk about my mother skin out her so every minute you tell me about man. Man this, man no want you. If you don't know if you do this, man no go want you. And man this. No man you did that tell me about who man?
But me did give you man?
No, me never tell my father say that give me man. Me tell my father say every minute you tell me about man. That's what I said to my father.
Me realize that you are just like your little dirty mama. You got talk about
Thank
your mama.
you.
Say your mama do that, say your mama do that.
Thanks.
You are just like your little dirty mama.
Thanks.
Because I see where she used to go on with my brother, you know.
Thanks.
But you see through my brother, him and one with an ambition.
Yeah.
You know, me go do not worry yourself. Me go in the house, go pack up your things. You can't go on.
Come
Your papa come here now.
Yeah, make it come. Come on now.
Come here, you go.
We are go for close
Look, girl,
them.
you see how you're wicked. I want you to stay far from me. Me go pack your bag and you still tell something.
Come on, we all pack your bag. Come on.
Pack up your something then, because you see, you're not going to chat things with you. Where you go?
I'm not going to do dirty things, you know. So I think I'm going to my father come for me, you know. Huh? Nobody does so long, man. It's no long, nobody does it. Daddy!
Right right pan time.
She a pack up my things them and dash me out her house.
You see you little girl. You know no boy, you know.
You're really aggressive and abusive to my daughter. You see, you may lose off of you, you know. Lose off of you, because I know so see you stay for
Me
truth.
tell her, Daddy, you can be up here for abuse me.
Me ask if you help me and my daughter, and you up here come beat her. Eh? Or about this, sir?
Yeah, that's she a
no man,
drum.
you see. And you pick me alone, me not like you. And you me not like you, and me not. Come out of me yard, you pick me.
I know that.
No behavior, you not have, because you don't teach a little girl the right way. You take up a worthless woman, you breed a worthless woman, and you get a worthless pick me.
Like
Come
you.
out of me yard, what on worthless I like.
Like
You see you? Answer from to them, you know more brother, you know. Because you jacket.
And you more for be jacket.
Look at you, go there and argue with me.
Well,
I say my father head straight
Well,
and
well,
face
wait, wait.
wrong.
Shh.
Go there and argue with me.
Be quiet. You see, you? Let me finish with that statement now. Me lose more than 15,000 right now. Give me 15,000.
Yo, give me 15,000.
Give me back me 15,000 no.
A 4 week shop, yeah. I never give me
4 weeks.
$1.
And 1 week.
You can't count.
You see the money, the 15,000 the owe you pick in me too. You don't come out of me.
I'm not eat for 2 days.
You see, you come out of me.
I'm not eat for 2 days and you can't talk about me the amount 15,000.
Me I look for your face for the last time because you can't call me or come back on my yard. You see you? You let me down. That me I tell you. You see your face? Everything good,
You
man.
let me down
Me
a
a
long
jacket.
time.
Are you a jacket? You never know. Mama never tell you. Eh? I'll answer bite me. Mama never tell you. Eh? Mama never tell you what go on.
No?
Eh? A barrel then roll along hill come down. You never know. A barrel then find out in a. That's a problem. That's why you can't stop drink rum. That's why you're barren. That's why you can't have picnic. And because me have my picnic, one picnic, you jealous and vexed with me.
But say same like how you have jacket and so she have jacket and more get jacket and feel picnic. And the man Errol picnic and so she feel about Errol.
Which
You know
Errol?
you know no sense, you know?
Which Errol we are talking about?
Yeah, Errol down the road the animal so. I feel picnic that look at
Errol what you in love of and Errol what you can't get. Errol what?
Me.
Hey, mean. You must have when Errol when run out and car. You run to me and say, brother. And me feel go on like me an idiot and Errol fling stone and then bust me head. Just because of you.
Daddy,
Eh?
come on. Daddy,
You
come
see
on.
you?
Yeah, we are so.
Look on her. Yeah, look on her.
Yeah, we are so
Because
time.
you nah sit back. This a
How
picnic.
we call this?
How you do?
Wanna leave
You're
them?
really aggressive.
Wanna
No.
leave them, man?
Okay,
Leave
let
me
me
yard
Push
now.
me on my head,
come.
Daddy, and you
No,
not do no.
No, me not gonna beat her. It's alright. She good, man. She
Let
good.
me yard.
Come, you come.
Where?
You go.
Where?
You are jacket, your picnic, your jacket, so no ambition. You don't woman and breed, woman and breed, pay for and get picnic. Where?
Well, listen. Talk to me.
Daddy, I'm tired, more and warm.
Before I reach, I mean, I want to know this. See? Tell me the truth. Look at me, I'm talking to you. Why you love laugh? You think I joke business now? You take everything for joke, star. Listen, stop spin. Put your hand to your side and relax. What she's saying is the truth about man coming at the yard. Hey.
Daddy, listen
Before
what me I
you
go say now.
Don't come in when you go up, so yeah, make up story.
Me nah make up no
This is
story.
not the time to
Listen,
make up.
Daddy, me tell her what happened now.
Stop it, laugh. Take,
So
it,
the-
take a smile off your face. Yeah, talk to me now.
Alright. So me and the boy guy see him school. So in the past defense where the incident he say, hey America, me say, hey, and he say, I like me say, me like you too, and me say, I do some experiment.
Jesus Christ.
So,
What do you mean say you like him too?
and
Eh? What do you mean say you like him too? So you agree to? Alright,
Daddy,
confess
listen
that.
what me I say now, you just get aggressive and me nah, you nah listen what me I say, you feel listen what me I say, man. So, me call him and me say, you remember me did us how we go Netflix and chill?
Jesus Christ! You breathe? You're not about.
Daddy, when you go and stuff and listen what me have to say
You
now.
breathe now?
No. So when he come over yard now, me see auntie have some rum pan the dresser, so me
You
give me
drink
rum.
rum
Jesus Christ, Daddy now listen to me. Daddy listen to me, yes or no?
You told me that grandpa fit put.
So me tell him say, my father tell me say, my grandfather used to drink rum and come in and beat my grandmother. So
him
me
beat
give
you?
me rum and tell him to drink it and me lick me box him in the face. And he raise him and half of me. So me say, you see? Me tell my father say you raise it and half of me. And then daddy me put one hang around his neck.
You hang him! That is it, my girl. Hang him!
And
you hang
then
him!
in the drunk, you know, daddy, in gone, in the drunk, and me a fling and say one thing, mother, so me tell him to go on in yard. Daddy, nothing happen. Me just did a so experiment pan him, to see.
You ask me if you can say linoleum, because if you can say linoleum is a dunce bat, you know.
Daddy, me
You
never
understand me, I
asked
say?
him the one day.
You never
Maybe
asked him
he
that?
forgot, catch you in the drunk.
So why she a go at you so?
The
A jealous-
woman come in and give me some lick. And he get peace stuff for me and he nobody give me got my bed for a hungry belly.
You go man now, man. You go man now.
Me not eat fries today, no daddy.
Mm.
Me not eat nothing today, me not eat nothing. Right now I'm hungry.
Me go get you some food, my daughter. I'm proud of you. You hear me? Daddy proud of you. Me
Right
think
now, me not even know if that the pitney they want to see me again.
Which pitney?
The boy.
Some kid want to see you again. Oh, based on sir. Oh. Him alright, man. I can go on. As long as he don't call police for you. As his mother and call she and tell her say him drunk. Ah, that's mercy.
Alright, rum me give me now.
Be testing me. Well, me now tell you say she don't do it. Because me not gonna be a dirty parent. Because it can happen to him now. But what me I say to you is that you have to know say. You see the boy and girl situation? No. It's a no. You understand? Alright, you see when you after you're married, then you can't see one boy. But not before you're married. Yes. Then you can't see boy. A boy is important in your life. Set your life first. You understand? So when you're married now, you can't see when you're 40. You understand? At best time that when you reach 40, you live your dreams. So you have everything. You have your house, you have your car, you have your business, you have your everything. You understand? So you're safe. So follow me and you will be safe forever.
Daddy,
right?
So your mother did tell us say you're not have girlfriend till you're 40?
From my situation can't come.
Oh, ready? So you know what tell me?
Me tell you how old you now? You're 15.
I'm 15.
So when you're about 29, me can tell you everything. You understand?
29?
29.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah? Alright, come with that. I'm proud of you, yeah?
Yeah.
Come. Watch your footsteps.
People eat now, got the crack is damaged, the bloody see. Hello? Who? Hey, slow down. Look here now, miss. Me never call your son over my yard. So what you mean by that? Oh, that have nothing to do with me. Listen to me now. Just listen to me. Me go give you our father number. From the day me born, me never breed. You know me never breed from the day me born. So me know what kind of argument is you come to me with. Miss, I'm sorry for whatever happened to your son, but look here. Me go give you the little girl father number and you call them. Cause me no have no money. How much bag of drip? 3 bag of drip. So how should do to him, sir? Hey, Alright. No bother with it. Me understand your pain. And me go do. No worry yourself. Me go send the father number for your WhatsApp and you call him right away. Cause I don't know how this little pick me and what she say she do and what she not do. Yes, I always wanna give him the number. You explain and tell him who you be. And then you tell him the situation and send the prescription them on him phone. If not, you go to the station because I'm done with them. A jacket that's not my brother. Okay, I'm going to send you the number. Sorry for whatever happened to your son. Yeah, but me have nothing to do with my piece never burn grass on the day me born. Alright. Right away. So them cross is a problem. Eh? Make sure send him number go give the woman him too hard and him take me. Alright. Never see nothing like this. You know, say little girl come like a mama. I same thing the mama do to your papa, you know. Hey, so me want him, man. Me want him, you know. But you see sometimes you have to let them make them book them to them. Alright. I got in their mind food.
Finally. Everything is back to normal now. But it's not easy at all. Yo, chip off of the block. Jesus, that's it. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, man, and my daughter, that man. Woo! How up now? Oh. What you say a while ago? No, ma'am. No. Me not responsible for certain things. Remember, I said there are kids, you know. When you pick them, who you think you're shouting at? Huh? Who you think you're shouting at? When you pick me, when left for yard, when know which party I go? Eh? Me not responsible for no doctor fee. What you talking about? What? So if me want bail, what for do? Eh? Miss me think, alright, listen to me. Me not think you understand what you're saying, you know. Me not think you understand what you're talking to. Yes, I understand they are kids. Yes, they are kids. So what? Police? No. All right, listen. All right, calm down. Right, listen. You don't need to call no police when it comes to this situation. You understand? This is not a police situation. You need to talk to me properly because you're talking. A matter of fact, who gave me number? No, it's not my sister. Yeah, but anyway, you have to just deal with it until further notice. But for right now, I can't do nothing to help you, man. Yes, and I'm sorry about your son, but you have to just deal with your. I say, don't raise your voice at me. That me say to you. You raise your voice. You think you're talking to a child here? Huh? How dare you? You have no manners. What I mean? You don't call me. What? All right. And that's what you say? All right. You know what? Call the police if you want to call the police because this is nothing for. I did nothing wrong, you know. It's a situation where you don't know where your son there, and that is. Miss, so if me want belch, where me fi belch? Eh? Alright, yeah man, do what you have to do. That's simple that.
You know, go back in so
Hello?
good day, good day.
Good day.
Mother send me to you say she want back her money.
Eh? Not you yes, talk again. How much money?
Mother said she called you already and talked to you about things, so she send me to you say she need the money because she tell you about over 3 days now and she not hear nothing from you, so she want back her money.
It's either you lick your head or your mother lick her head. Me the call over my yard?
Me no
Who
jump on me
invited
and come
you?
over here. Me hear my mother say. My mother say, tell the lady next door say she want back her money and make she come over there come cause no problem.
Tell her say miss say she must come. Tell her say, go and go tell her mama say miss say she must come. Cause me never send con call in for me house now. Me no know how you reach in here. But your mama tell her, hey, tell her one thing, mama say me there saw we punish her. She must go. Little boy, come on to me here and go where you go. Right her face.
My mother
your
say me
mama
never
say.
live without the money. Me want the money to carry back.
Little boy, you not hear me say?
Just
One
give
year
me
yard.
money. My mother would send me free money if you never have it.
Right, here. Where your mother? Where your mother work? Me not in a business.
My mother say me never left without the money. So give me money, me go on, please.
Me go ask that.
See this, true.
Me I work with your mother. Your mother work with me.
My mother send me to your film. Stop going like
Which
you know,
money?
You talk about no miss and just give me money, me go on.
Okay, your mama lick up on it. Go on over your yard, little boy. Go on over your yard.
My mother call her one lady no call her 3 days ago.
Yes, but me give her one number for call. So why she send you to me for money? One thing number I tell her for call. Eh?
She send me to you or you give her the money.
I mean, forget her. Tell your mama, say, from the day me born, me never have no picnic. So you try go on here, go tell your mother. Look boy, you insist. So your mama say me give money, so me take out my money, give me money. You know, I'm come put her, super
So me not like it, but just give me money and me son, I'm going in an argument because me don't want my mother come cause no problem over here. And if she come over here fight, she go fight.
Man, go and go tell her to come, because fight. Me love fight. You should never hear about me. And me a fight it. Tell her mama to come. And you know what? Matter of fact, me not bother go nowhere. Me put on back my bag. Tell your mother say me over here, she must come. Because me slip bad.
So me tell her me want, you know.
Yeah, man. Go and go tell your mama say me over here, me not go nowhere. She must come.
Miss, give me money, please.
Here, which money? What are you? What are you? Outside and bread, okay, money. Here, which money? More, yeah, mama. Where? Yeah, mama, what this like?
Miss my mother not there here. As she me away from come, so we can carry the money come give you. Miss, you have to wait, you know.
Hello.
Hold on. Hello. How many you can't in my house? I mean, my house hot. My house hot. Why every time you choose to come out yourself? But a man out you look. A man want to see you. How man I go see me, mommy? Be honest now. How man I go see me? See the whole of the place. Right now, it's like a pen in her. And from my friend gone, me not left yard. You know?
Your friend.
I never tell me about your thieving friend, because you're not a thief, I tell me about your thieving friend. Hey, I tell you. Anyways, it's all like you just say I talked a while ago.
Yeah, she not have called on my phone and ask me money.
The money. God, didn't me tell us go to your head.
But mommy, a holiday,
I
I'm
didn't
not.
meet her go to your head. I didn't meet her go to your head, you have no money. Anyways, me see a dirty pa.
I lie, you see, daddy?
Yeah, me see a dirty pa, but me have money for the year, you know. But me see a dirty father.
I daddy give you money for the week. I daddy give you money. No, me ask.
Daddy give which money? For your work list, papa. Ever have money for give me?
I mean, I like how you call me daddy work list, you know.
Your work list, papa, ever have money for give me? Eh?
Me not know about you have daddy
Your
bill.
father broke. Your father broke on me right now.
You know that disrespect, I disrespect
Your
my
father has no ambition. And careless. He not no style. He my jankro. He my everything in a one. You
So-
say head top shine.
So, mommy,
He not have no knowledge up in there.
me can ask her a question.
Ask me a question. Cause right now me feel like standing up right and I look for you just feel you look a deadbeat. Come talk. Mr. Talk!
You never know, say, him a all of them though when you pick him up. Okay, that's why I always treat me so true. Me look like my father.
What you just ask me say? If me never know, say my that when me pick him up.
I'm just
He bag me
asking.
face. He bag me face. So me could see true colors. I tell you, matter of fact too. You lick up in here, me a big man. Don't ask me any question there again. You hear me? I tell you. Me say if you understand what I say. Matter of fact, you see 10 clothes there. Whole list. I can see next time I pick up a knock, say, boy, you go on the head. And you not tell me nothing. You go walk and pay your feet yourself. You hear me? I tell you. Right.
I'm going to live with my father.
What live with you? What live with you?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Come on, I know you're strong.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. I may say, alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. I may say, alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. I may say, alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah, man, so guess what? When you watch the movie to the entirety, you know what I mean? We usually end and all them something there, and as me said, tell me what I go on. So, hey, me I go drop episode 3, man. I want to say, tell me already, me I work. I don't want to enjoy myself shooting it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. All right, so thanks again. And yeah, check in if you want to check in. The information go there right there. So just check in, you know what I mean? See that's so. So check in. And we shall get it. All right, so meet you at the next live stream or the next video. Out.
Yeah, but you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our flaws. Cause if you see you're strong, then you have to take a look in your flaws. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better